Hello friends, welcome to Raksha's kitchen. Today let us see how to make a Goan dish known as Moghem. First let us cut this Moghem. This Moghem is a special type of melon which grows in Goa. It is known as Chibad in North Goa and Mogem in South Goa. I got this Moghem from my mom's garden. Today I will show you how to make a simple, no-cook and a delicious dessert with this melon. Cut the Moghem as I have shown in this video. Remove the seeds. You can even scoop out the seeds by using a spoon. This melon is a very soft and mildly sweet fruit. Peel the Moghem using a peeler after cutting and de-seeding. Some people call it Goan musk melon. After peeling the Moghem, cut into small bite-sized pieces. Here I have cut the entire Moghem into small bite-sized pieces. Add the melon pieces into a mixing bowl. Some lemon juice and sugar. Mix well. You may also add jaggery instead of sugar. After mixing with sugar, let it sit for some time. The fruit will release some water. Now let us serve this dessert. This Moghem or Chibad tastes best when served chilled. However, you may even eat it as it is at room temperature. If you like this recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to Raksha's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.